Welcome to the future of productivity. In this video, we explore the hidden features of Windows 11 as we approach 2025. Did you know you can now manage multiple virtual desktops more efficiently? Let's dive into the new functionalities that bring your workspace to life. Meet Snap Layouts. This revolutionary feature helps you organize your workspace in ways you never imagined. Touch and pen features have never been better for hybrid devices. Let's check out all the enhancements for a more tactile experience. The new Widgets 2.0 allows you to personalize your experience like never before. Let's look at the new content types available. Meet your new digital assistant. Integrated AI tools are here to boost your productivity and streamline tasks. Gamers rejoice. Discover how direct storage and auto HDR enhancements are changing the gaming landscape on Windows 11. Your privacy matters. Explore how Windows 11 streamlines settings for better management and control over your data. Unlock a new dimension of experiences. Customize your virtual reality adventures with Windows Mixed Reality. And there you have it. Embrace the hidden gems of Windows 11 in 2025 and elevate your computing experience.